It's one of the hardest things I've ever had to hear. You always think it'll never happen to you. And then when it happens, you're like, why me?
Phil Lyles was 44 years old when he was diagnosed with non-muscle invasive bladder cancer. At the time, his son had only just turned 1 year old. But 5 years later, he's not only celebrating finally being cancer-free, he's celebrating the people who made it possible.
When I first got my diagnosis 5 years ago, I sat back and thought about my life. Being a dad with a 1 year old, I can't let this slow me down. I still have to be there for my family.
So it's not a small thing for a patient to have to go through, from having office camera procedures, the cystoscopies, to needing to go to the operating room.
Dr. Heather Chalfin, a board-certified oncologist and surgeon at Frederick Health, worked very closely with Lyles throughout the 5 years of his cancer treatment, guiding him every step of the way.
I met the nursing staff and Dr. Chalfin. We got to know each other very well. They became more of a family, more comforting.
Dr. Chalfin and her team remained by Lyles' side throughout every part of treatment except one, an innovative treatment called blue light cystoscopy. It's a procedure that helps doctors find and remove hard-to-see bladder tumors using a special liquid and blue camera light, making the tumors significantly easier to spot and remove.
Blue light cystoscopy has been recognized as having better cancer outcomes for patients for over a decade.
At the time, the procedure was not available in Frederick County, so Lyles had to travel out of county over an hour away to receive this critical care.
It was a pain trying to travel all the way to Baltimore, sit there all day, drive all the way back.
The disruption to his life, to have to travel very far, to have a technology that he wanted to have available here in his home community.
He shared his experience with Dr. Chalfin, who agreed that there was a need to bring this life-saving technology to Frederick County.
We're a large county. Why can't Frederick County have it too?
The knowledge that I had a patient who was willing to be an advocate and speak on his personal experience was really meaningful. With the advocacy of Mr. Lyles, we have been able to bring blue light technology here to Frederick Health.
In February of 2026, Lyles not only celebrated being cancer-free, but also helping bring blue light cystoscopy to Frederick Health.
They've been on this journey from the start with me. I trusted them in their decision as far as my treatment and what would help me. So my road ended for now. So now I can focus harder and more on my kids and my family.
Here at Frederick Health, we have world experts with top-of-the-line training that help patients have access to all the best options.